दृश्यते त्रिमुनि वंदना?
आम भगिनी आम।
ओके। येनाक्षर समाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीय प्रवेशाय लघु सिद्धांत कौमुदीम्। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। सुप्रभातम्। इदानीं स्टॉप शेयरिंग करोमि। ओके। हाँ। माहेश्वर सूत्राणि अद्यतन टॉपिक अहं तत् चूस् कृतवती। तदनन्तरम् अन्य विषयाः सन्ति, परन्तु एतत् आरम्भस्तरे सामान्यतया न कुर्वन्ति, परन्तु अहं कर्तुम् इच्छामि। ओके। कोऽपि जानाति माहेश्वर सूत्राणि विषये? हस्तमुपरि करोतु, अहम् आह्वयामि। अनुराधा वदतु। अनुराधा वदतु, भवती किं जानाति?
माहेश्वर सूत्र ऐवुल निरुद्ध एवों अयौज अयवरट लन यमनमनम जबन गडदश जबगडदश कपचटत चटतौ कपै सशसर हल इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि।
बहु सम्यक्। गोमती, अन्य कोऽपि हस्तमुपरि कृतवती न भवत्याः पूर्वं? रागिनी वदतु।
महोदय, अहं जानामि सूत्राणि कानि सन्ति, किन्तु भवत्याः प्रश्नः किम् एतस्य विषये जानाति वा 14 सूत्राणि जानाति?
ओके, अहं तु स्पष्टतया किमपि न उक्तवती। यत् किमपि मनसि आगच्छति वदतु इति ओपन क्वेश्चन आसीत्। ओके,
सूत्राणि अहं जानामि। एतस्य विषये एषा उक्ति अस्ति यत् पाणिनि एकवारं तपस्यां कृतवान्, तर्हि भगवान् शङ्कर तस्य उपरि प्रसन्नौ भूत्वा सः 16 वार ढक्कानादं कृतवान्। एवं
14 न 14 वारं,
क्षम्यतां, 14 वारं ढक्कानादं कृतवान्। एतेन माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि उत्पन्नानि। एतैः पाणिनि समग्र व्याकरणं रचितवान्।
बहु सम्यक्। पाणिनेः लघुकथा इदानीं, बृहत् कथा अपि कदाचित् अस्ति। गोमती महोदय वदतु।
अहमपि माहेश्वर सूत्राणि जानामि महोदय।
ओके, वक्तुं
वदामि वा?
वदतु वदतु। कारणं किमर्थम् अहं वदतु वदामि, कारणं तत्र उच्चारणार्थम् अपि समस्या भवति यदा कदा। ओके, अतः वदतु।
ऐ उन् ऋ ये ओं ऐ औच् हयवरट् लण् न्यमङणनं झबङ् गडदश जबगडदश कपच ठठ कपच टट कपै
चटतव
कप च ठ ट छटतौ कपै शशसर हल इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि.
सम्यक्. हा, ओके. तत्र ऋक् मा वदतु. हा, अहं दर्शयामि. हा, ऋ किमर्थं न वक्तव्यं. ऋक्. ओके. हा, र नास्ति तत्र. हा, ओके. तद्विषये अहम् अनन्तरं किञ्चित् अधिकं चर्चां करिष्यामि. हस्तम् इदानीं निष्कासयतु गोमती भगिनी. हा. हाँ, हेमावती. हेमा वसंतराव. हाँ, हेमावती ना, भवती ना, हेमा वसंतराव. सा.
वदामि वा महोदय?
हाँ, वदतु वदतु.
ऐवुन् ऋलृक् एवं ऐ औच् हयवरट् लन् ञमङणनं झबै घढधश् जबगडदश् खप छटत चटतौ कपै शशसर हल्.
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि.
माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि.
अग्रे अपि अस्ति, तत् अनन्तरं पश्यामः. नम्रता वदतु, किं वक्तुम् इच्छति?
यथा रागिनी भगिनी उक्तवती एकं श्लोकम् अस्ति, नृत्तावसाने नटराज.
वदतु वदतु, भवती जानाति श्लोकं?
किञ्चित् जानामि.
तदेव अहमपि उक्तं.
नृत्तावसाने नटराजो ननादडक्कां नवपञ्चवारम् उद्धर्तु कामः सनकादिसिद्धान् एतद्विमर्शो शिवसूत्रजालम्. तत्र परमेश्वरः 14 डक्कां ननादवान्, तदा माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि उत्पन्नानि.
ओके.
इति वक्तुम् एषा कारिका
निर्मिता अस्ति कदाचित्. ओके. हेमावती, हेमा वसंतराव, हस्तम् इदानीं निष्कासयतु. ओके. टेक आउट योर हैंड रेस. Hema Vasantrao. And yeah, unable to lower, just click on it. Maybe Namrata, just tell how to remove the hand.
Hema Bhagini, how could you raise your hand? Go there, the way you raised your hand, go there the same way and lower your hand. That's all. Okay. You did it. Yeah, she did it.
Hemavati Shankar. भवती किं वदति?
अहमपि तदेव. वृत्तावसाने नटराजराजो ननादढक्कां नवपञ्चवारम् उद्धर्तु कामः सनकादिसिद्धान् एतद्विमर्शे शिवसूत्रजालम्. महेश्वरस्य डक्कायाः 14 नादाः उद्भूताः. ते एव संस्कृतभाषायाः अक्षराणि एतानि एव माहेश्वर सूत्राणि इति पाणिनिः स्वस्य अष्टाध्यायी ग्रन्थे उल्लिखितवान् अस्ति इति दत्तम्.
ओके, बहु सम्यक्.
नन्दिकेश्वर काशिका इति ग्रन्थतः एषः श्लोकः स्वीकृतः.
ओके ओके. अन्य किमपि कोऽपि वक्तुम् इच्छति? जानाति? पाणिनि विषये वा माहेश्वर सूत्र विषये?
एतदपि महोदय. एतेषु 14 अपि सूत्रेषु अन्ते स्वररहितं व्यञ्जनं श्रूयते. एतेन अन्तिमवर्णेन सह आदिमः वर्णः यदि उच्चार्यते
तदनन्तरं वयं पश्यामः. अनन्तरं पश्यामः.
अस्तु महोदय.
कारणं तदेव अस्माकं पठन पोर्षन् अस्ति अद्यतन. ओके. इदानीं ओके, इदानीं कुत्र गच्छामि? प्रश्नः एकम् अस्ति मम एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति किम् अत्र के माहेश्वर सूत्र विषये किमपि न जानन्ति हस्तम् उपरि कुर्वन्तु न विवेक हस्तम् उपरि करोतु भवान् तो किमपि न जानाति ओके लावण्या ओके अनन्तरम् अतः यदा अहं प्रत्याहार इति वदामि परिचितशब्दः अस्ति वा अपरिचितशब्दः अस्ति
यस प्रत्याहार थोड़ा पता है
हाँ ओके प्रत्याहार थोड़ा पता है क्या पता है
वो सूत्र को कंप्लीट करने के लिए और उसको मतलब शॉर्ट करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है जनरली
ओके शॉर्ट करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है कैसा यूज किया जाता है किमपि जानाति
एंड में इच संज्ञा लगाकर उसको कंप्लीट किया जाता है
इच संज्ञा लगाकर ओके फाइन दैट्स अ गुड वन ओके इच संज्ञा कैसा लगाएगा
वो नहीं पता है मैम
ओके अभी पता चलेगा हाँ मिस्टर रामचंद्रन you already know इच संज्ञा विषये प्रत्याहार विषये
little bit in the sense that what is given in the brackets I that is it's samya that becomes the pratyahara
okay
and all this like that
okay प्रशांत भवान् किं जानाति
अहं जानामि तः च पर्यन्तम् अच् वयं वदामः and that has all the letters between cha so all the swaraha come swarani
okay
comes there.
All swaraha come in ach okay anything else
Like hal likewise hal is there all vyanjanani are there so different pratyaha could be formed and they are used to describe sandhi rules and
sandhi rules yeah very good how do you form the pratyahara
you take the first letter of a row and then the last letter of any other row of it could be same row also and then all the letters in between the two letters are included when to the last letter is not included in the pratyahara
okay that's important last letter is not included important
first one is included and not last one
okay but you have to start from the first letter
yes
whichever sutra you're taking okay yeah who else Radha Kumari bhavati kim vaktum ichchati no unmute Radha Kumari unmute yourself where she
Natva Saraswatim Devim Shuddham Gunyam Karomyaham Paniniya Praveshaya Lahu Siddhanta Kaumudim. So Paninehe Lahu Siddhanta Kaumudim Praveshaya Aham Saraswati Devim Namami Saraswati Devim Kidrishi Asti Shuddham Shuddham Chet Pavitram Gunam Chet embody all gunas sarve gunaha uttama gunaha santi etat visheshana padam dvayam asti dvayam api saraswati devim shuddham gunyam lagu siddhanta kaumudim api shuddham punyam so applicable to both
he is telling that is what I'm trying to achieve isn't it
so adjective dvayam applies to both the words
Saraswati. And let's hope for this class also isn't it that's why I've included Natva Saraswatim Devim I have included in our prayers
that is dhyana prayer asti prayer
that is
shloka trayam asti
Okay. Okay. Anybody else? I still, Lavanya, what is it you know or you don't know? Come on, let's see.
Namaste Matah.
Namaste.
कोऽपि न
By the way,
जानामि.
all of y'all know my name. It's written there, Uma. Okay. I have a tendency of hoping everyone calls me Uma. Then the link is same level. But if y'all put me on a pedestal, it's a little bit dicey for me. So many of you are even older also or more knowledgeable. So I would prefer to be on the same level. Tada kim bhavati asmakam sambhashane kinchit saralyam bhavati kinchit suhruda phenomenon api, it will creep in. It will be more friendship rather than teacher-student.
Wow.
Are you understanding my point of view?
अस्तु भगिनि.
ज्ञानं समाने वहति.
अस्तु भगिनि, अस्तु
ज्ञानं
भगिनि.
समाने वहति.
Okay. कारणम्
अस्तु भगिनि.
अत्र मां अध्यापिका, गुरु, शिक्षिका एवं मा चिन्तयतु. Simple reason I'm
भगिनी
learning.
उमा भगिनी वदामि. उमा भगिनी वदामि.
Okay, Uma Bhagini vadatu. Okay.
उमा भगिनी.
Sanugunam. Uma vadati chet bahu saralam bhavishyati. Uma न इच्छति मम द्वितीय नाम अस्ति मीनाक्षी, अतः मीनाक्षी वक्तुम् इच्छति तदपि वक्तुं शक्नोति. अन्यथा उमा भगिनी, whatever you all want. Because I'm quite used to even a 2-year-old kid calling me Uma. It is, it has been a kind of a practice, but over here in Asha Kendra, it's a little bit dicey. So why I'm saying Uma, call me Uma, call me Meenakshi, whichever you like, is because we are all of us learning. Sahana vavatu, sahanao bhunaktu, saha viryam karvavahai, tejasvina vadhitamastu, ma vidvishavahai. So in that shloka, if you go deeper into the meaning, the teacher becomes the student becomes the teacher, depending on who's exchanging what knowledge. I getting the hang of that shloka, go deeper into the meaning. Let the learning teaching process be a give and take process. That is what that shloka says. That's why I love that shloka. Okay. Lavanya.
उमा भगिनी, मया किमपि न जानामि.
Okay. Aham kimapi na janami.
अहं किमपि न जानामि.
Okay. Panini shrutam asti?
पाणिनि श्रुतं.
Panini nama shrutam asti. Okay. अष्टाध्यायी
अष्टाध्यायी इति व्याकरणपुस्तकं लिखितम् अस्ति, आसीत् एवं एव अहं जानामि.
विवेक पार्टनर मिल गया ना? He is also sailing in the same boat, See, yes, I'm Vivek personally, that is why I'm telling. Okay. So I'm happy to know somebody else is also there to give him company.
Now I'll not feel left out.
Now you will not be left out. Exactly. Okay. Okay. So anybody else? Vijay Shri, Gomati.
Ma'am, I have one question. Maheshwara Sutra, Hal Sangnat mein, there are two hers, starting and ending her. Why there are two hers?
Verbs.
Her.
That
starting to ending to
as we go forward. Okay. That is a suspense. Let's keep it at suspense. Okay. You'll discover it. आगे जाएगा ना, ज्ञान मिलेगा. Okay. Only two hers का बारे में question है?
अभी तो उतना ही observe किया है मैम.
Okay.
Only that is what I observed till now.
Your eyes will catch one more phenomenon. I'm waiting for that to happen.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. इदानीं वयं किं कुर्मः वयं सामान्यतया अस्माकं what we call in Hindi barakadi, otherwise alphabet system, Devanagari alphabets, अस्मिन् विषये किञ्चित् परिशीलनं कुर्मः. Okay, how the whole thing is. Can you see the board? Okay. Okay. Who's going? Yeah. Lavanya. Bhavati vadatu. Swaranam avali. Swaraha ke kaha. Kaha. Okay. Vadatu?
A.
Anantara?
E. U. R. Sorry, A. I. O. Au. Au. Aha.
Aha. एतदस्ति अस्माकं स्वर विभागस्य अक्षराणि. ओके, स्वर विभागस्य अक्षराणि एतानि. अ आ इ ई उ ऊ ऋ ऋ ल ए ऐ ओ औ अम् अः. एवं वयं पठामः पाठशालायां. Okay. Okay. Now let me see. Radha Kumari has disappeared. Where has she gone? There's no, there's only picture there, no person. Okay. Prashant. Idanim. Etatasti swaraha. भवान् व्यञ्जनविषये वक्तुं शक्नोति?
आम्. क ख ग ख ग घ ङ च छ ज झ ञ.
भवतः उच्चारणं बहु सम्यक् अस्ति.
ट ठ ड ढ ण त थ द ध न.
दृश्यते न?
आम्, दृश्यते.
अनन्तरं
प फ ब भ भ म. Then अवर्गीय सन्ति. य व.
एते सर्वे वर्गीय व्यञ्जनानि. ओके. अतः अत्र अहं मार्क् करोमि अनन्तरं
यवरला
य
रला ह
ह अत्र एव
ह
अस्ति
ह अस्ति ह
ह ओके
then sh sh sa sh sh sa I think that's all.
स ह अत्र लिखामि
अस्तु श श स ह
हा श श स ह ओके यावत् पर्यन्तं सर्वं
Ma'am, here or love.
हा य र य
Love.
love. Which one you all want me to write? Huh?
Here or love.
Yeah. No. 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 Happy? Huh? Was
Yes.
that better or was this? Is this better?
Almost the same. That does. वो वर्ग में शायद see further analysis में शायद फर्क पड़ जाए इसलिए.
We'll see.
Only for that reason. Otherwise, it is one and the same.
When you learn in school, यरा लव पढ़ते हैं कि whatever Prashant said.
Ma'am, yara lava.
Yara love. This is the school system, right?
Yara
Yes.
lava.
So we'll stick to that. For the moment, we'll stick to that. Okay. Yara love. इदानीं एतस्य अन्य नाम किं? Let's see. रामचंद्रन महोदय. रामचंद्रन न? क ख ग घ ङ. अन्य नाम किं?
Sorry. Kavarga.
Kavarga. Kavarga. Okay. Now, Panini style of referring to Kavarga, इतोपि एक नाम अस्ति. We know it as Kavarga. Okay. Kavarga. Kavarga. परन्तु पाणिनि किं वदति? तत्र महोदय वदति कु. ओके. पाणिनीय भाषायां कु इत्युक्ते क ख ग घ ङ सर्वम् आगच्छति. ओके.
Okay.
Lavanya, Vivek, you all both are the bachas, pure bachas. Okay. Radha Kumari, are you following?
Yeah. Chavargah. Paniniya Bhashayam chu.
Chu. So, atra chu agachati. Ramchandran Mahoday, एतस्य नाम चु अन्यथा अस्माकं भाषायां
Kavarga.
चवर्ग. कवर्ग चवर्ग अनन्तरं
Kavarga, Tavarga, Pavarga.
चवर्ग. तदनन्तरं
Tavarga.
पवर्ग. टु. ओके.
Kachadatapavargani.
पुनः वदतु.
Kachadatapavargani.
कचटतपवर्गाः. वर्गः न अत्र पुल्लिङ्गम् अस्ति.
Kachadatapavargaः.
वर्गाः. सत्यं. Okay, those are all minor mistakes. Don't worry about that. अतः क च ट त प इति वर्गाणां नामानि सन्ति. पाणिनीयरीत्या नामानि कानि सन्ति? कु चु टु तु पु. What Panini tries to do is condense everything so that in the shortest possible time, in the shortest possible way, messages can be put across. तदा किं भवति? स्मरणार्थं कष्टं न भविष्यति. Getting the point? Now, who, if I say, and I indicate ka, kha, ga, gha, nga, so that ku represents 5 alphabets. I don't need to indicate all this. Getting it? So what he does, he reduces space occupied, memory occupied also. Learning sutras becomes easier. Under these circumstances, learning sutras becomes easier. Okay. Idanim. हेमा वसंतराव अत्र अस्मिन् वर्गे हेमा द्वयम् अस्ति अतः किञ्चित् कष्टं भविष्यति हेमा वसंतराव य र ल व अन्य नाम किम् राधा कुमारी म्यूट yourself.
अंतस्थः अंतस्थः
अंतस्थाः ओके अत्र अंतस्थाः अनन्तरं श श स ह
उष्माणः
उष्माणः राधा कुमारी I will call your name, then only you will answer, because otherwise everybody has to get a chance to talk in the class.
Okay.
So unmute yourself only when your name is called out. Till then you will remain mute. Got it? Make yourself mute now. Yeah. Himavati. Yeah. Sha, sha, sa, ha. Nama kim? Punaha vadatu. Hey, sorry, not Hemavati Shankar, Rao. Hema Rao.
ऊष्माणः
Ushmanaha. Okay. I think in English it is called sibilance. Am I right? Because that sound is there, na? So, anyway, Antasthaha Ushmanaha. These are other names. Okay. Now let us look at base. Now this is our base. Atra a iti a dvayam asti. I dvayam asti. U dvayam asti. R dvayam asti. Parantu l arabhya sarvam ekah eva. L a I o au. Tavat paryantam ekah eva. Aha vishya anantaram pashyamah. Okay. Idanim yada vayam Paniniya सूत्राणि वयं परिशीलनं कुर्मः तत्र किं पश्यामः गोमती महोदया वदतु तत्र किं भिन्नम् अस्ति
प्रथमं स्वराः सन्ति
ओके
अनन्तरं अन्तस्थाः अनन्तरं वर्गस्य पञ्चमाक्षरं
ओके ओके हेमावती शंकर भवती किं वक्तुं शक्नोति अस्मिन् विषये ओके टेक ओनली ओके भवत्याः इच्छानुगुणं वदतु तदनन्तरम् अहं वदामि
किमपि विषयं नवस्वराः अत्र सन्ति ह्रस्व दीर्घ इति भवति
पुनः वदतु नवस्वराः ह्रस्व दीर्घ इति भवति भवती किं वक्तुम् इच्छति अत्र
इति ह्रस्व दीर्घ इति भवति like that ह्रस्व दीर्घ and also प्लुतं चारण एकमात्रं ह्रस्वं भवति द्विमात्रं दीर्घ भवति द्विमात्रात् अधिकं भवेत् प्लुतः इति that type of Then what else you want me to do? I don't know.
No, my question was totally different.
That's what I didn't understand.
Okay. अहं मम प्रश्नः एवम् अस्ति वयम् अत्र दृष्टवन्तः सामान्यतया पाठशालायां वयम् आ आ इ ई उ ऊ इति वयं पठामः अत्र भिन्नता अत्र तत्र किम् अस्ति What's the difference between Panini's representation of the alphabet system and what we normally learn in school, college, whatever it is? Naspurati, huh, Manasi?
I'm not in.
Okay, fine. Doesn't matter, huh? Doesn't matter.
No, suppose that I says in the first sutra, if it is I1, and if we say just an, it covers I, all the three.
That's all very high level, huh?
Okay.
Shankar. That's all very high level. So
Okay,
that,
okay.
leave that
I really,
aside. I'm on very low level, huh?
No, I really didn't get what you want me to.
Yeah, you haven't got on to. Let me see, Ragini. What is your comment, huh?
No, ma'am. Actually, I have no idea why
Kinchit,
Panini has...
kinchit adhikam karotu, audio.
Yes, ma'am. I don't have any idea why.
Can you hear her?
No.
Mandam shruyate.
Shruyate?
Okay, her audio problem is there. Make it
just
max.
a minute.
Lavanya, just wait, huh?
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Now I can hear. Yeah.
I think the airport's problem. So
okay.
I don't have any idea why Paniji has created in this order. So no comment on this. I don't have any idea.
Observation. Observation. Okay. We have learned in school.
Yes.
A, I, E, U, U, A, I, O, Au, Aha. That we have learned.
So, ma'am, what
and
I am.
We see A, I, U, R, L in that manner. Okay. Can you comment on what you observe?
He has started from Laghu, like in this all are Laghu swars.
That's what I want. So yes. Only Laghu swar he has used. Whereas when we are learning in school, what do we learn?
It is mixed.
It's mixed.
It is mixed.
Okay. Yeah. Very good observation. Lavanya, come on, hand raised.
Ma'am, I think the pronunciation sounds, no, it's based like that. If A, I, U, they all seem to be pronounced in from a particular, they arise from a particular moment, whereas R, they arise from a different position in the mouth. I feel like that.
Okay.
The arrangement of letters or like that.
Okay. And then
that's
what else do you notice? Anything else? When you compare this set with that set?
No, I don't find them.
Okay, fine. Who else? Anybody else with hand raised wants to come in? Yeah, okay, Namrata, go ahead.
Tatra aha nastaha.
Aha atra na drishyate. Okay. Aha atra na drishyate, parantu tatra vayam samanyataya pathamah. A, I, O, Au, Aha. Iti vayam pathamah. Okay. Okay. Any other?
Tatra adau swaraha, as Ragini Bagini told, Rasva, Dirga are explicitly told in Varnamala that we have learned. Yeah. But here it is not told. If I tell what A says, it will be way high. So I stop myself.
Yeah. So leave that aside. Here only one A is visible. Whereas in school, we have two
Two
A's,
R's.
two varieties.
Yeah.
A, Rasva, Dirgha. Okay, Lavanya got that part of it? Huh? So, school, college, we learn Rasva, Dirgha, separate. Huh? Atra, Panini Mahoday, Kevalam एक अकारस्य उल्लेखः कृतवान्. ओके, हाँ, तावत् पर्यन्तं स्पष्टं? Okay, any questions so far? Okay, now any comment regarding I've got Anuradha who has disappeared. Let me call her name. Anuradha. You're there? Okay.
Yeah.
Any comment on these last alphabets?
Last alphabets are Anuswara.
Say again.
Last alphabets are Anuswara.
No. I'm talking about each sutra. Prati sutrasya antima varna vishaye kimapi manasi agachati?
It will be Lopaha.
Oh, tasya lopaha. That's way too advanced. Okay. That's way too advanced. Okay. I'm not in advanced level. I'm in baby level. Okay. Who still hasn't answered or hasn't participated? Any hands up? Antima varna vishaye kimapi comment asti? Namrata, wait. You're too advanced. Ramchandran.
Varna asti. It's sanjna asti.
Oh, great. That's again very advanced. Advanced level. Okay. I want bacha level. Come on.
Bacha level, I can tell.
Wait, Namrata. I've got Vivek also. I've got Vivek and Lavanya. Two candidates. Let's give them opportunity to discover. Come on, Vivek.
Ma'am, last one is like Ardhamatra, Hal Sangya. Every Hal word.
Very good.
Every sutra.
Antima varnaha prati sutrasya hal varnaha asti. Okay. Got it? Antima sutram, antima varnaha, kshamyatam. Antima varnaha prati sutrasya hal varnaha asti. Okay. Now Ramchandran, what is the significance of that hal varna?
It's sanjna asti.
That is very practical.
It's an indication to give an indication to stop the and to indicate that all the letters including in that up to that.
Okay, it's shaky, yeah, Mr. Ramchandran. It's very shaky. Come on, Namrata. Let's see what you are telling.
If it has to be put it easy, you can tell it as a demarcation or a boundary line for each sutra.
It is a boundary line. For what?
For one sutra to end, A-I-Un is taken as one sutra.
Okay.
Then A-I-Un Ril. So the second sutra is Ril. You can take it that way.
Okay.
Or for, because we are not in Pratyahara, I'm not going into it.
Okay.
So at this basic level, we can take it as a demarcation or a boundary line.
So this acts as a boundary. Okay, Prashant, following? You have done all this before? Pratyahara, katham nirmanam kartavyam?
Kinchit janami.
Kinchit. Okay. Idanim, bhavan vadatu. Pratyahara nirmanam vayam etasya adharena. Prati sutrasya antima varnaha halanta varnaha Vivek uktavan na halanta varnaha asti tasya adharena vayam pratyahara nirmanam katham kartum shaknumaha.
So accept any letter except the last one. You can take A, E, O. Start from any letter, but you can't start with the last letter. So that's for sure.
This letter. Last letter means the halanta letter.
halant letter you
start
cannot
with
take.
that. Because you can
Any
end
other
with
letter.
that. Satyam? Huh? You can end with that, but you can't start with that.
Right.
All of
Satyam.
y'all got the hang of this? Very important part. You can
Okay.
only end with these halanta varnas. You cannot start with the halanta varna. What other character trait? Come on, Prashant, come on. Batao, kya malum hai?
Other than the last letter, other than the last halant letter, you can start with any.
You can start with any other letter, right?
Right.
Huh?
But to
Okay.
always end with the last one, and that's how you form a pratyahara.
Okay, so now give me an example.
Okay, choose maybe E.
Okay, choose maybe.
And now you have a choice where to end it. You can end it in.
So
If I end with na, then in means E and U.
E and O. Okay, very good. It means E and U. Okay, what happens to the na?
We do not count that. It's just for naming.
Don't count it. There, that's the important part. He has given you an example. In, you can make one compact group. It is known as pratyahara. And in pratyahara, E and U only are counted. The na is not counted. Okay. Why? It's the boundary marker. Wahan tak jana hai. Okay. And therefore, I forgot to connect the power. Okay. Okay. So because it is the boundary, you don't count it in the working area. Boundary is boundary. Up to there you can go. Give another example. Come on, Prashant.
Okay, now let's start with something else. We can start with a.
No, with E only. Come on.
Okay, with E.
If you go up to na, this is what it will be. With the E only, if you go up to what now?
We can go till cha, ich.
You can do picture. Then what happens?
And now count all the letters, but don't count the halant one.
These halant letters you will not count. Yeah.
Between
everything
E and
else
cha.
in between. Right? You count
So-
everything else in between. You will not count, you will not include these boundary letters. And then
So count all letters which will be E, U, R, L, A, O, A, Au. So these all letters means
this
ich.
is all we can count. So this will contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 alphabets. Right? Clear so far? Any questions? So in this manner, we can create short forms. Right? We can create short forms. Now, you are the one who said ach and hal and all, right? Prashant?
I was saying.
Ataha, ach. How did you arrive at ach?
So starting from a until cha.
So I started from a. I included everything, but I did not include what?
The last halant letters we
The
don't.
halant letters. And I went up to cha, but I did not include cha either.
Right.
Right? And similarly for hal.
So
For hal, where did you start from?
fifth.
Now Vivek's question will get answered. To some extent. Where did you start from?
Fifth row, ha.
From this ha. Right? From this ha you started and you went up to
Last 14th one.
14th sutra, la. Right?
Last.
So I started from ha, which is 5th sutra. Right? And went up to 14. Clear all of y'all? So now, what is the homework? Let us discover one homework. Prashant, would you like to create the homework?
Kim Karaniyam.
Kim karaniyam. Ha. Griha karyartham kim karaniyam. Ha. Chalo. Decide. Come on. Because our 8 o'clock is over. We have gone beyond. 7 minutes beyond so far. Okay. Ha.
So we can have some pratyahara in short forms like ach, hal, and they will write the
So you
long
can create how
forms.
many pratyaharas like this?
We can create as many, parantu
As
in
many
use
as you feel like. But now we are going to be a little bit more, adventurous. How? Yeah. Namrata, you want to say something?
I think totally we can have 300 pratyaharas.
More
but
than 300 also. Permutation combination. na?
combination.
Ah.
Doing that, we can have around 300.
Yeah. So, Kumti, you want to create an exercise? Pratyahara, which is a bit more pointed, streamlined? No? Huh?
No.
Agini, Anuradha. Yeah.
No, ma'am, no idea what to do.
No idea?
What Namrata said, I think we can do that.
We
That
can
is
create as
300
many
odd.
pratyaharas.
So that y'all can try. Y'all can try ach, ich, rik, lil, hut, lam, anything you can combination, you can try it out. But I want y'all to be focused. So I've got an idea. And I was hoping some of you will come out with that idea. What is it? Vivek, your hand is up. Bolne ka kya hai? Bolo.
Ma'am, we are trying to understand what pratyahar is and what combinations it can be formed, but a formal definition of pratyahar we have not yet learned. So actually what pratyahar is not clear.
Okay, fine. What pratyahar is this creation of short form. Okay. That is the what is it?
Actual definition.
Discovery. Today's discovery,
yes.
Creation of short form. And from where, how can you create that? Your end point is one of these 14. And your starting point can be any of these, but you can't go in ulta direction. Remember that. You have to go only in Sida direction.
Sida direction.
Okay. Ulta direction you can't go. You can't say verse से in तक. ऐसा नहीं जा सकता है. सीधा जा सकता है.
That is a new thing, ma'am. वो नहीं पता था कि उल्टा नहीं जा सकते हैं.
सिर्फ आगे जा सकता है, पीछे नहीं जा सकता है. Okay? So now, just like how Prashant said, ach covers all the swaraha, hal covers all the vyanjanani. Now, we have just now learned Parakadi. So this, how it is covered, we have learned. Am and aha we have still not looked at. That we'll see next time. Okay. So up till here is ach. From ka till her is hal. It's covering. Cross check. Point number 1. Your griha karyam, ach and hal, you are going to cross check. Is it covering all the alphabets? Point number 1. Ach, does it cover all what we have written here? Point number 2. Hal, does it include all this what we have written here? Point number 3, 4, 5, etc. Atra kim asti vargiya vyanjanani santi. So, can you create one pratyahara which includes only the vargiya vyanjanani? Okay. Start thinking on those terms. Can you create one pratyahara which denotes only the antasthaha? Because who said this is antasthaha? Can you create a pratyahara which covers only the last line, shasha saha? Okay. Then, next item. Now, if you look at it column wise, getting it? Look at it column wise. when you look at it column wise, Panchama Varnaha, Prati Vargasya Kevalam Panchama Varnaha, Prati Vargasya Kevalam Chaturtha Varnaha, Prati Vargasya Kevalam Tritiya Varnaha, Dvitiya Varnaha, Prathama Varnaha. Can you create Pratyahara in that manner? Discover that. That is your Griha Karya. Okay? I'm not putting it up in the Google whatever. Huh? Homework may I'm not putting it. I'm telling the Griha Karyam in the class. So those of you who are here, I hope you all have understood. Any questions on the Griha Karyam part of it? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Lavanya, Vivek, Mr. Ramchandran, Radha Kumari,
No,
huh?
ma'am.
Both the Hemas.
We have to create Pratyahar on the basis of what?
Like just now we got an example. Ach Pratyahara covers all the Swaraha. Hal Pratyahara covers all the Vyanjanani. 2 points we got. But now you have to first cross-check whether those 2 points are correct or not. So that is one. One homework, cross-check. Milta hai, nahi milta hai. Second homework, you create a Pratyahara which is going to include only the Antasthaha, one Pratyahara, hopefully. Includes only the Ushmanaha. And then you go column wise. Oh, sorry, before that, one more is there. So only the Vargiya Vyanjanani. This whole thing from Ka to Ma is covered. Can you create one Pratyahara which does that? Can you create a Pratyahara which covers only the Panchama Varna of every Varga? Only the Chaturtha Varna of every Varga. So similarly, try to see whether you can create Pratyahara for each of the columns. Clear? Gomti, what is your prashna? Vadatu.
No. Her is there twice, ma'am.
That you tell in the next class. This is to discover.
No. No. I do. Now when we are creating the Pratyahara, so we start from her. When we say Hayavaran, Hal, from her. So what should we do? Twice the her comes. That is why I'm asking.
Now use your head. Use your head. If you take the second her, if you take the last sutra ka her, are you covering all the Vyanjanani? Think. And therefore, which her will you choose? Simple, na?
वहां पर वही काम लगेगा मैम जो आपने बताया. We have to go from up to down. We cannot go reverse. So वहां पर काम लगेगा शायद.
Okay. The second her का use धीरे धीरे मालूम पड़ेगा. Okay. चलो समापयामी. Any further questions? Any further doubts? Homework समझ में आया सबका?
Now, if we take the vertical rows, how do we end it?
The ending letters are here, na? For each sutra. 1 minute. So, for each sutra, you have your ending letters.
No.
Yeah.
Vargiya Vyanjana, you said Vargiya Vyanjana, you take the 4 vertically.
Yeah, vertically no. 1 minute. Vargiya Vyanjanani is one group. That is 25. Okay. Himavati Shankar, your question, na?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you want to represent, like how we represented Hal, all Vyanjanani, Vargiya, Avargiya, everything has come in there.
But there you showed, the vertically first this thing, second,
I'll
third,
come back
fourth.
again. Now, if I take vertical.
Show that board.
So, if I take vertical, Panchama Varnaha Prativargasya. Only Panchama Varna. Getting it? only no should be there, no should be there, no should be there, no should be there, mo should be there. Nothing else. Can you create one pratyahara which includes only this lot? Am I understood? Question? Still undoubtful?
I don't know. If I write it down, maybe I don't.
Okay. Discover it. Similarly, I want only gha, cha, dha, dha, dha in my pratyahara. That is the Vargiya Chaturtha Varnaha. Can I create one pratyahara with just this much? Similarly, can I create one pratyahara which deals with only the Tritiya Varna Prativargasya? Okay. Prativargasya Tritiya Varnaha. Eva Tatra Bhavishyati. Got it? Ataha ga, ja, da. No, not this da. This da has to come in the fourth column. I did not write it very well. Okay. So ga, ja, da, da, ba. Only these should come in your pratyahara. Okay. And then kha, cha, tha, tha, kha. Only these should come. Can you create such pratyahara? Just test it out.
Oh, I mean, what is there big in it? How do we end with it? Just da, jada, da, ba. That's all.
No. From the sutra, okay. Let me see how I can make it clear. Now, I created one pratyahara in. Okay. In this in, I've got E, U, R, L. A, O, I, 1 minute. In, sorry, till this, E, U, and N. Okay. So, now supposing I want, say for example, I want only Ushmanaha. Sh, sh, sa, ha. Those are my 4 Ushmana Varnaha. So, I see where sh, sh, sa, ha are appearing. I'm getting it here. I've got sh, sh, sa, ha. So, what will I do? I start from here. Is it visible now? I'll start from this sh. And I want to include this her also. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So
Shall.
I will take this as my stopper.
Shall.
So when I say shall, I'm getting all my Ushmanaha. Example, one problem is solved. Okay. Got it? So like this, search where that set of alphabets are appearing in your Maheshwara Sutram. In your Maheshwara Sutrani. All of y'all have access to Maheshwara Sutrani? Otherwise, Vivek, put it up. You had it, na? Audio
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I had it. Yes.
The sutra
pronunciation.
have, na? Otherwise, yes. Ramchandran is also there. He also can do it.
I'll just put
I
it
can
right
put it in WhatsApp.
WhatsApp
I can put it up.
Yeah, put it up in the WhatsApp. Maheshwara Sutrani, only the sutra, the way I have written it, it is there in many places.
In a little different way, but it is there.
It's okay, yeah?
No, it is there. It's a table.
Yeah. Okay. So you'll get your Maheshwara Sutrani WhatsApp madhyamena milishyati. Tatra drishtva grihakaryam kurvantu. Okay. Avagatam grihakaryam kim asti katham karaniyam. Udaharanam api aham dattavati. So one problem is already solved. Ushmana varnaha vishaye chinta nasti. Okay.
Ma'am, audio and that Maheshwara Sutra PDF shared in WhatsApp.
Okay, very good. So Ramchandran, no need. Vivek has already done the job. Okay, chalo, samapayami. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavada. Who's this new person, Lahari? Who has...
धन्यवाद.
Ma'am, एक pronunciation question है out of our
एक
course.
मिनट, मैं जरा बंद करती है recording. Okay. This